experiment. All we need is a paper boat, a balloon, and a bowl of water. First, inflate the balloon. Then put the paper boat in the water. After that, rub the balloon against your hair or woolen clothes. Quickly bring the balloon to the boat, but don't touch it. Now drive the balloon in different directions and watch. The boat follows the balloon. The balloon creates static electricity and it attracts the paper.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
You know, I love science. I even have a couple of experiments I have wanted to try out.
Really? Yay! Well then, let's get started, fellow scientist.
For the first experiment, we need a piece of paper. Now, origami skills, don't let me down.
Sue, we're experimenting, not crafting, remember?
Of course. And that's why we need that cute little hat of yours. We'll use it as a boat. Now, Sammy, pay attention.
Huh? Sue? You didn't tell me you were a sorceress. Can you teach me that magic, please?
There's no magic here, Sammy. It's pure science. When we dip the upside-down glass into the water like this, the air keeps it from filling the space inside it, but it compresses a little so the ship will float inside the glass. But when we tilt the glass, we let the air out. The glass begins to fill with water, and the ship sinks.
There. Now that there's an iceberg, it's more like a shipwreck.
What a creative slime you are! Oh, and this iceberg gave me an idea.
Oh, really? Then it's a really interesting experiment. Let's do it! Here's all you asked for, Sue. Don't forget the tinfoil hat, too! In case other scientists try to read your mind and steal your ideas.
Nobody wants to steal from us, Sammy. So, relax and watch closely.
I wouldn't be so sure. Huh? What's going on? Hey, you! What are you doing here?
I was just passing by.
Yeah, right!
Well, at least he left us some materials for our experiments.
Okay, experiment entry number 100 and... Hey, my science diary!
I'm sorry, Sammy, but we need to sacrifice it for science's sake.
Okay, whatever you say. Whoa! Sue, we've got a runner! You can't escape us, you sly little ice cube!
Nice catch, Sammy!
You betcha!
And here's our control ice cube. Now we wait to see which one melts first. This will be our experiment. But sitting around waiting is so boring.
Then in the meantime, let's do my experiment. Get the paints!
The paints are here. And where is Sam?
I'm here. I dragged this ice all the way from the top of the Tibidaba Mount. Oh no, it melted!
Why didn't you just get ice from the freezer?
So we had ice in the freezer this whole time? Ugh.
Oh, Sammy, next time just ask. Here comes the salt. By the way, why do we need paint?
Come on, Sue, it's so easy. You dip your paintbrush in paint and color the ice, like that. It's so much fun!
Let me try it too. This is truly mesmerizing, guys. Like, if you agree. Oh, I almost forgot. It's time to check out our ice cubes. Wow! I thought the ice cube in the sock would melt the fastest. Cool.
Don't jump to conclusions, my dear fellow scientist. We need to measure everything, Whoa! What was that? Is someone trying to steal our experiments again?
No, I think you're just hungry. I've got some treats. Follow me.
Yay! Treats! Yummy! Come on, Sue, what do you have in store for me? Gummy bears? Or maybe lollipops?
Here, yummy and nutritious egg.
Ew! I'm not eating that! Where's my candy stash?
Well, I'm more than happy to eat it. But first, let's do one more experiment. Eggs are strong enough to handle the weight of a bird sitting on them. Their shape helps them take on a lot of pressure. But the shell can break easily if you hit it.
Hail Tibidaba! There are no eggs in the lollipop recipe!
Can I borrow this book for a sec?
No! Hey!
Ugh, fine. What do you say to that?
Oh! Candy! Now that's more like it!
It's harder to crush an egg when it's standing up. See how much weight our egg can hold?
Oh, so that's why they're stored that way!
That's right, Sammy. Look, it's safe and sound.
I'll take these for my next experiment, if you don't mind. Here we go! Sue, get the flashlight!
I'm one step ahead of you.
Now take it!
And why do we need them?
For a colored light experiment, of course.
Oh, that's a great idea. I love mixing colors. When we mix red and green lights, we get yellow. Mixing red and blue makes purple. And blue mixed with green makes the turquoise light. So pretty. If we put all three lights together, we see white.
Sue, it's just our guest dinosaur. He's gonna help us with our next experiment.
Hi there. You scared me. Look, if we shine a red flashlight, it makes blue shadow. The green flashlight also makes blue shadow. Green and red flashlights together make green shadow. And if we add the blue light, we will have multiple shadows, like this.
Also, we can use our flashlights for a little dance party. The only thing that could be more fun than this is building a snowman.
Wait a second.
What?
This gave me an idea. Let's make a scientific snowman.
Cool.
First, we need to make some scientific snow.
Huh? Seriously? So far it looks more like pastry dough.
Really? And what do you say if I add soap? How much soap pastry have you had in your life?
Oh, that even sounds gross. Still, it doesn't look like snow.
Just be patient. Here we go. Our snow is ready. Now we can build a snowman. It's gonna be so much fun.
Whoa! Make way for a scientific snowman.
All done. And now it's time for one more experiment. This is water with citric acid, and our scientific snow contains baking soda. So if we do this, a chemical reaction occurs. Scientifically speaking, here we have a new salt called sodium citrate, carbon dioxide, and water.
Whoa, that sounds too smart. Sue, I'm getting dizzy from all the scientific lingo.
Here's a recipe for you then.
Nice. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff to buy.
Hold on a sec. We've got plenty of those ingredients in the kitchen.
Then let's move on to the next experiment. All right, fellow scientists, a Attention, please! Sue, put a card on the edge of the glass.
What a strange experiment. Okay. Ugh, come on. It's not working.
Oh, I almost forgot. Try to do that now.
Okay, here we go. Wow! Sammy, they are sticking!
When we place the card on the water sticks to the card. That's because the water molecules stick together too.
Oh, so this is what keeps the cards balanced on the edges of the cups. That is so cool!
Being a scientist is so stressful. I hope the candle will relax me.
No, we've got stuff to do.
Keep up with the experiments and I'll go take a nap. Hey, my blankie!
Don't be lazy, Sammy. I'm sure you will really enjoy this experiment.
Oh, my blanket's all wet now.
That's the way it's supposed to be. For this experiment, you will need an adult, guys. Now, check this out. When we heat the air, it expands. And when it cools down, it shrinks. So, it kind of tries to pull the water from the napkin up into the glass. And this happens. Cool, right? Some will say it's magic, and I'll say it's physics.
Wow, guys, the glass is really just holding all this. Can it hold a little more weight?
Let's give it a try.
Awesome! Pick it up now, Sue.
Yay! It works. The main thing here is to make sure there are no gaps between the glass and the napkin.
Can it lift me up?
I think it can.
Whee! Whoa! Whee! This is even more fun than a roller coaster!
Phew. I'm thirsty after all that exercise. Blah, why is the water salty?
Now it's time for some slime science. Here we have water and ice. We need it to melt. Look, the ice is gone, but the water level stays the same. Now, Sue, give me your glass.
This water is salty.
Right. So this time when the ice melts, the water level will rise. That's because salty water and melting ice from fresh water don't mix together.
Whoa, Sammy, I had no idea. You're so smart.
You bet. Okay, Sue, I think we're done. I've made notes about all the experiments. It's time. Go to the contest.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'm sure you will win.
I can't calm down. I have to know the results. Hey, isn't it that the guy from earlier?
10 points out of 10.
Congratulations, Sammy. You did a great job.
But I thought you wanted to steal our ideas.
I was just passing by.
I'd better be less suspicious, really. Yay! Sue, I won! I'm the best! Thanks for the help!
And thank you guys for being with us today. Don't forget to like this video and see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on new exciting experiments. Bye-bye!
Jaja, invite the whole kingdom to the concert in honor of Countess Elizabeth.
Bye!
Sydney, be honest. Do you prefer this side or this side?
Ah, princesses, there you are! I have amazing, exceptional, fantastic...
Out with it already!
Yeah, if you insist. Tonight, a concert will be held at Billy's Castle, featuring a troubadour. He's called Trumpet. With a name like that, he must be fun, right? See? You must come. I can't wait. I have to tell everyone else.
Hold on! In the meantime, we'll just make 1 or 2 little changes to the invitation. Okay, Jaja, you can go and invite everyone. But you know the concert is now at our castle, not Billy's.
Oh dear. I'll have to go back and tell everyone again. Bye!
Bandus! There is no way that a troubadour is going to sing for Elizabeth and the rest of the kingdom. He's going to sing for us, and for us alone. Find us that troubadour!
Balloons? Oh, this can't be for my little old birthday. Oh, Sir Kitty Cat, you're so such a kidder.
Yeah, I meant to do that.
Hello, everyone. Can I borrow some chairs? Jaja has invited so many people to the Twin Princesses concert that we've run out of seats.
Huh, the Twin Princesses concert? What are you talking about?
Aren't you getting mixed up with this concert?
I'm not mixed up. They're having a troubadour concert. The invitation is very clear. He's called Crumpet, I think. Or Trumpet. I can't remember.
Sounds like Jaja got things mixed up again. Oh, Jaja! Jaja!
You do know she never comes when you really need her.
We have to find her before she invites everybody to the wrong concert.
And we better do it fast, or there won't be anyone here for Elizabeth's birthday.
Jaja! Yo! You called? Yes, we were getting worried. I think you've got a bit mixed up with the invitations. The concert is here, not at the Twin Princesses castle. Oh, really? But I just followed what it says on the poster.
Huh, it's another one of the twins' mean tricks.
But how are they going to organize a concert without Trumpet the Troubadour? He's coming to play a concert here, invited by our princess, right? Isn't he, Billy?
Huh? A trumpet concert without Trumpet? You're right. It doesn't make any sense. What's going on?
That must be him. The sound's coming from the harbor. It's a concert for my birthday.
So, where is he then?
Trumpet the Troubadour was arrested for entering the twins' territory carrying a guitar, something which has been against the law since, half hour ago.
But I always play guitar. Please do something, Your Highness. I'm sorry, but I'm not... Stop!
Poor thing! He's being held prisoner!
Look! Concert confirmed tonight only. We have to rescue Trumpet the Troubadour!
And make sure that Countess Elizabeth gets her birthday party!
Yeah!
Look, they're holding him prisoner over there. The problem is those fur balls guarding him.
The area is secure. Yes. Yes, we can start the concert soon.
That's odd. There's his guitar way over there. So they're having a concert without a guitar? How can he play the guitar if he's all tied up? Wait! I have an idea! Truman, you go on stage and play guitar. Come with me!
Sir, no one's allowed on stage.
Relax. I'm the guitar player. The concert is about to start, isn't it?
It's a concert. Someone's got to play the guitar. Guitar's allowed. Let him in.
Huh? I'm here to set you free. I'm gonna play guitar. You're going to sing. Huh? Excuse me, but I just.
Right on time! Oh, I can't wait! Oh. He said that he's what? I can't hear you!
I think you have the wrong person. I'm not a singer or a rock star. In fact, I'm a terrible singer.
What? What does that mean?
This? I'm an igloo salesman. I have no idea what made you think I'm a rock star.
What? You're not Trumpet the Troubadour?
I have a guitar because I use it in my job, selling igloos. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall.
You call this a concert? Now what are we going to do for Elizabeth's birthday party?
Are you sure about this?
Yes, together for Elizabeth. Countess Elizabeth, I know you were expecting Trumpet the Troubadour, but plans sort of changed. This is our birthday gift for you.
What?
Girl, you'll always be a friend to me. Whenever we're together, you will see that when friends can laugh together through good or bad, whatever. Together, we're better than me. Together, we're better than me.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. That was very rude to take those tickets out of our hands.
Well, it's rude not to invite your sisters to see their favorite singer.
Actually, look in the envelope. There are 4 tickets. I was going to invite you guys too.
What?
But we need to go right now, or else we'll be late.
Really? Right now? We can't go to a boomer concert dressed like this.